Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our chapter first. Our chapter title is Computer, a Super Machine. So before understanding the computer, we will discuss about the machine. What is machine? Machine is a device which reduce human efforts. In the simple words, you can say हर एक वो चीज़ मशीन है जो हमारा काम आसान करे. It saves our time also. So students, did you understand? Machine means a device which reduces human efforts and saves our time. After that, we will discuss about the uses of machines. Why we use machines? Here is some uses of machines are here. Listen carefully. They make our work and life easier. Students, you know, if you use machine, many works, these machines make our work easier. They work very fast and help in saving time. Students, these machines also saves our time. These machines do work very fast. Suppose यहाँ से स्कूल से आप घर जा रहे हैं, एक तो आप ऑन फुट जाएं, एक आप बाई बस जाएं. तो अगर हम बाई बस जा रहे हैं तो मीन्स वी आर यूजिंग machine. That machine will save our time. After that, they do not make mistakes. Human nature से ऐसा होता है that makes mistake, but a machine never make mistake. Next, they are very useful. अगर आज हम देखते हैं हमारे सराउंडिंग में तो machine saves our time also. They are very useful for us. And next is the computer. A computer is also a machine. It's called a super machine. Man versus computer. Students, we are human beings and computer is a machine. So there is the major difference between the human being and the machine. So here we will discuss about the something machine and human beings. Suppose you are the human beings, we are the human beings. We tired after for a some time. एक वर्क को कुछ टाइम के लिए हम करते हैं, इसके बाद we feel tired. But a machine never gets tired. मशीन कभी भी थकती नहीं है. मशीन कंटिन्यूस वर्क कर सकती है. Second, we make mistakes. Sometimes suppose you also perform when your mathematical calculations, you make mistakes. But a machine never makes mistakes. Computer never make mistakes. Next thing is we can do our work by own. हम अपना काम खुद कर सकते हैं. But a computer cannot do their work by own. Computer अपना काम अपने आप नहीं कर सकता है. If you want to work on the computer, first you have to give instructions. These instructions known as input. Instructions, you know students? No. Okay. Suppose we are pressing any key from the keyboard to type something. That means if we are pressing keys means we are giving instructions to the computer. We are giving input to the computer. We are pressing the mouse button. That means also we are giving instructions to the computer. So these are the common difference between human being and the computer. Computer never make mistakes. We make mistake. We get tired. Computer never get tired. Next, here is some uses of computer. Students, you know very well computers are very useful in every field. So here is some fields also. First, computers in schools. Students, you have to tell what is the use of computers in the schools. Yes, done. First thing, teachers use computer to teach you. Students, you are looking. This is the projector. This is the smart board. Look, smart board and the projector is used to teach you. The teacher helps a student to learn more through the computer. Second, a color keep details of the fee on a computer. Color, you know LP sir. When you go there, LP sir tells you about your fees, how much you have deposit and how much is left. A librarian in the school keeps records of the book on a computer. When you go to the library, Chetan sir, they keep their books record in the computer. Next, computer in offices. Type letters. Your parents will be work in the offices. You have to ask. You have to discuss with them also. They have to. If you want to type letters, they have to use computers. Second, keep records of important documents. There is the many important documents in the offices. So their workers in the office, they have to keep details in the computer for their important documents. They have to also use for make bills. Sometimes they purchase something and they have to make bill using the computer. After that, computers are also used at the shops. Did you go any shop? Where did you see the computer? Yeah, we also see the computer. So what is the use of computers at the shop? Keep accounts of his money, maintain record of his stock, and print bills. Sometimes when you purchase something from any, did you purchase something from any shop and you have to got a bill through the printer? Yeah, you got. Okay, means that bill is printed by the printer with the help of computer. So that is also useful at the shops. Computers at railway station and airports. Students, tell me, what will be at the railway station? Yeah, trains. Very good. Second, and at airports, aeroplanes. Very good. Excellent. So first, computer tells the passenger. Passenger, you know, people who travel through the trains or aeroplanes. Those are the passengers at the railway station and the airport. They have to get information about the arrival and departure of the trains and aeroplanes. सबसे पहले पैसेंजर्स ये जानते हैं कि ट्रेन कब आएगी, कब जाएगी, एरोप्लेन की फ़्लाइट कब है, कब लैंड करेगी और कब वो फ्लाइट करेगी. ठीक है, तो ये दीज इंफॉर्मेशंस वी गेट थ्रू द computers. One more thing, sometimes you have to listen from your parents. I have booked my ticket online. Did you listen? Yeah, using the computer or using the mobile phones, you can book your tickets online. So these are the common uses at the offices, at the school, or at the airport and railway station. Some more computers in bank. Did you visit bank? When we go to the bank, you see on the every counter there is a person and front of is a computer also. So what is the uses of computers at the banks? You know, students, keep details of the customers' bank accounts. Customers' bank accounts. There is the many customers of the banks. So computers keeps their details in it. Function ATM machines. Did you see ATM? Yeah, good. So ATMs, these are also operated by the computers. Computers at home. How many students they have computer at their home? Yeah, very good. What do you use of that? Yes, you. You drawing. Good. You. I watch movies. Okay, very good. You. I listen music. Very good. Excellent. You. I send emails. Oh, excellent. You. I play video games. Very good. Excellent. So these are the common use at home. So listen one by one about at home. We can find out information on any subject through the internet. Did you? No. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes you use YouTube on your mobile phone also, na? So that is also available on the computer. So you can see anything about your particular topic on the computer. We can send or receive letters through email. Did you listen? Emails. No. Okay. Emails. That is the electronic mail. Using the computer, you can send any information from one place to another. That is called email. Computers help you to play games. You play games. Very good. Watch films. Film भी देखते हो? Excellent. Or games? Yeah, you play. And listen to your favorite music. You can also listen music on the computers. Computers in hospitals keep the record of patients. Students, you know very well there is the many patients at the hospitals, so we have to keep their records. Records like patient का name क्या है, उसका disease क्या है, उसको डायग्नोज क्या किया गया. These are the common uses at the hospital. Find out more about the disease. There is the also doctors also research on the patients using the computers about their disease. Write any two names of each of your favorite computer game and animated film. Students, you know animated movies? Animated movies, you don't know? Oh, your cartoon channel? Yeah, those are the animations. Those created using the computers. So I have also write something. You can write your own, no problem. But I have mentioned here 2 computer games and 2 films. Computer games, Dune Baggy and Firefighters Talk 3. These are the two computer games I have written, but maybe your own. आपके कुछ अलग हो सकते हैं. You can write your own, no problem. Now animated films. King Kong. Did you? Gorilla. Yeah. Okay. Next one is dinosaurs are also there. Next is the Jungle Book. The Jungle Book. Did you see? How many students they have to see Mowgli? Yeah, many students they have to watch this. Na? You can write your own. Your animated your Cartoon Networks, those are also the animated. You can see Chhota Bheem, you can see My Friend Ganesha, these kind of things. These are the animated movies. Listen, guys, here is some pictures. Look these pictures carefully and try to find out what they are doing. What are these children doing on computers in the computer lab? Computer lab में देखिए, some students are sitting in front of the computer and they are doing something. You have to just see the picture and guess what they are doing. First, Rosa is using the computer for typing a letter. When you write something in your notebook, that is called write. But when you write something in the computer, that is called type. So she is typing letter. Next, Reshma is solving sums on the computer. You can also perform your mathematical calculations on the computer. You can solve sums, you can do subtraction, you can do multiplication, you can do division. These kind of mathematical calculations you can also solve on your computer. Here Jenny is also doing something. What she is doing? Listen. Look the picture. Jenny is listening to music on the computer. She is listening music. Do you listen? Yeah, very good. Excellent. Gordius watching a cartoon film on the computer. Ria next. Gordio क्या कर रहा है? He is watching a cartoon movie. इसके बाद Ria. Ria is using the computer for drawing and coloring pictures. Next. Here is the practice exercise for you. Here is some multiple choice questions. You can see. People use computers in office to treat patients, deposit, keep records of documents. तो ऑफिस में क्या काम आता है? Tell me. To treat patient, that is used at hospitals. Deposit money. This work done in the banks. So in the office, we have to keep records of documents. Next is a computer helps a blank to keep records of patient in a hospital. कौन रखता है? Yes. Who keeps the records of patients in the hospital? Yeah, nurses. She keeps a record of patients in the hospitals. Next, ATM is used with the help of a, that is, generator or computer. Yes, computer. ATM is used with the help of a computer. Computer help us to deposit or withdraw money in a bank. Where we have to deposit money or withdraw? At the bank. So that is in the banks. You should not blank while working on a computer. Do not eat anything while using a computer. So do not eat anything while using a computer. Fill in the blanks with the help of picture clues. Here is the some clues also. I have done, but you have to done by your own. A computer is an electronic machine. A computer cannot replace things. A computer never gets tired. A computer follows instructions given by us. You can play a game on a computer. Computer help us to write a letter. We can draw a drawing on a computer. We can use a computer to listen to music. A doctor also uses computer to find out disease. It's the quiz time. Find out what your family members do on computers. Write in blanks. आपके पापा कंप्यूटर पे क्या करते हैं? You have to write. These questions done by you. मम्मी क्या करती है? This is also write by you. आपके ब्रदर क्या करते हैं? And what your sister do on computer. After that, one core important question. Name the first machine made by human. That is called wheel. Okay, students. Thank you all of you.